Fresh herbs like rosemary, thyme, or parsley, and 1 lemon, halved. 4 to 5 garlic cloves. First, preheat your oven to 425 degrees Fahrenheit or 220 degrees Celsius. Pat the chicken dry with paper towels. This is the secret to crispy skin. Rub olive oil or butter all over the chicken, including under the skin if you can. Season generously with salt, pepper, paprika, garlic powder, and onion powder. Stuff the cavity with lemon halves, garlic cloves, and fresh herbs. This will infuse the chicken with amazing aroma and flavor. Place the chicken breast side up on a roasting pan or oven-safe skillet. Roast in the preheated oven for about 1 hour to 1 hour 15 minutes. The internal temperature should reach 165 degrees Fahrenheit or 74 degrees Celsius at the thickest part of the thigh. Once done, take the chicken out and let it rest for 10 to 15 minutes before carving. This helps the juices redistribute, keeping the meat tender and moist. Serve with roasted vegetables, mashed potatoes, or a fresh salad, and enjoy. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and share it with your friends. Comment below with your favorite chicken seasoning ideas. Thanks for watching, and happy cooking.